Hey there! Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, WPS Writer versus Microsoft Word. Both are powerful tools for creating and editing documents, but which one is better for you? Stick around, because we're breaking down the features, pros, and cons of each, so you can make the best choice for your workflow. Oh, and before we get started, you can try out WPS Writer for free right now by clicking the download link in the description below. Alright, let's start with the basics. Microsoft Word is the OG of word processors, used by millions worldwide for everything from essays to business reports. It's packed with features, but it comes with a hefty price tag. On the other hand, WPS Writer is a lightweight, budget-friendly alternative that offers many of the same features, and even some extras, all while being free to download. So, how do they compare? Let's find out. First up, the user interface. Microsoft Word has a clean, professional look, but it can feel a bit overwhelming with all those tabs and options. WPS Writer, on the other hand, keeps things simple and intuitive. It's got a similar ribbon-style layout, so if you're switching from Word, you'll feel right at home. Plus, WPS Writer offers a tabbed interface, which means you can work on multiple documents in one window. No more cluttered taskbars. Huge win for productivity. Now, let's talk features. Both tools let you create, edit, and format documents with ease. But here's where WPS Writer stands out. Templates. WPS Writer comes with a massive library of free templates for resumes, reports, and more. Cloud integration. It offers 1 GB of free cloud storage, allowing you to access your documents from anywhere. Compatibility. WPS Writer is fully compatible with Microsoft Word formats, including .docx and .doc, ensuring seamless file compatibility across all platforms. Microsoft Word, of course, has its own strengths, including advanced collaboration tools and seamless integration with other Microsoft Office applications. But for most users, WPS Writer covers all the essentials, and then some. Let's talk money. Microsoft Word is part of the Microsoft 365 subscription, which can cost you anywhere from $69.99 to $99.99 per year. WPS Writer? It's free. Yep, you can download it right now without spending a dime. And if you want to unlock even more features, the Pro version is super affordable compared to Microsoft Word. Honestly, it's a no-brainer if you're looking to save some cash. So, which one is better? If you're already deep in the Microsoft ecosystem and need advanced collaboration tools, Microsoft Word might be the way to go. But if you're looking for a powerful, budget-friendly alternative that gets the job done, and then some, WPS Writer is the clear winner. It's packed with features, easy to use, and, best of all, free to download. WPS Writer versus Microsoft Word. Both are great tools, but WPS Writer offers incredible value, especially if you're looking to save money without sacrificing functionality. If you're ready to give it a try, click the link in the description to download WPS Writer for free today. And if you're curious about what else WPS Office can do, check out our next video. How to edit PDFs for free with WPS PDF. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. I'll see you in the next one. Happy writing!